my young apprentice. I've been expecting you. If you're new here, welcome to the dark side. I am your master, Darth Hideous. Today, I will be showing you a pathway to many abilities that some consider to be unnatural. Do not underestimate the power of the dark side. We are ready and fully operational. Shall we begin? We will begin with Dr. Brandt's Pore Refiner Primer. For concealer, NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in Fair, the way the Jedi believe life should be. For foundation, I will be using my usual NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop 24-Hour Matte Foundation in the color Vanilla. And I will be mixing in a bit of the color Pale, just like that insignificant rebellion that pales in the power of the dark side. For contour, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in Fair. For powder, Emani's Pressed Powder in Bye Bye Shine. This is looking good. For brows, Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown. Impressive, most impressive. For eyeshadow primer, NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. For eyes, we will be using the ColourPop Darth Vader Pressed Powder Palette, one of the greatest Sith Lords of all time. We will be starting with the color Empire. Now I'm going to put this all over my own eyes. Next, the color Dark Side. Then the color I Am the Master. Then the color Stormtroopers. Darth Maul would be proud. For liner, NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. For mascara, Lime Crime Astronomical Volumizing Vegan Mascara in Supernova. Next, lashes. The more extreme the lash, the better. If not, you will pay for your lack of vision. For your waterline, you must search the galaxy for the blackest pencil liner you can find. Now we will be going back into that color. I am your master. For lips, Makeup Forever in Intense. Now, in homage to the greatest Sith Lord who has ever lived, an emperor of the Galactic Empire, my master, Darth Hideous. Your training is now complete. If you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and comment below who your favorite Sith Lord is. Fulfill your destiny by subscribing and hitting the notifications bell so that together we will rule the galaxy. One of the greatest Sith Lords. For liner, NYX Epic Ink. The more extreme your lash. If not, you will. Now, in homage to the greatest Sith Lord,